To-Do is a wonderful Microsoft app that will allow you to digitize any list that you're creating for tasks that you need to complete. When you're in To-Do, you can see that there's organized lists on the side that allow you to organize what you need to do. So you can put things in My Day by simply clicking the plus sign or adding a task. Once you type it in and hit enter, it's now added to your list. You can star it to make it as important, and you can edit it to add any information that you would like. So you can add due dates, you can add it to a list, you can bring in flagged emails into your list, and you can even attach documents by clicking on the task and adding a file. You can create whole separate lists at the bottom. So if I have a list of everything that I need to do for video tutorials, I can create a new list and now list all of the applications that I need to create. So I can say that I would like to create a tutorial on OneDrive, To-Do, Outlook Calendar, etc. So as I type in and hit enter, it just formulates on the bottom. Once I'm done with it, you can click the bubble and it will give you a satisfying ding to know that you're done. Automatically, it's set that all of your completed tasks will be shown at the bottom, and you can close that up if you would like. You can go into the ellipsis, you can print the list out, you can change a theme of your list, and you can rename it, etc. What's also handy in To-Do is you can share the list with other people. So if I'm collaborating with somebody, I can create an invitation link, send it out, and now that person and I can both work on our tasks together, knowing what's been completed and what's still left. While you can access this on the Microsoft Suite on a device, you can also download the app on a tablet or a phone so you have this with you at all times and it will sync right up.